Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a pin wall or a board on Pinterest. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you need just to hit your Pinterest account and log in to your account. And basically from here, you will need just to start creating your board, and then you will need just to add your pins in this board so you can have a pin wall. To do so, here you will need to be on the saved panel or saved menu, not the created one. And basically from the saved one, we will need just to go here. You click on this plus, and from here you will find create pin in the board. So first we need just to create a board. So let's name it the pin wall, and you can keep this secret if you don't want, if you want to. I will just click on create, and from here you will need just to save some pin on this board. So I'm just going to click on done, and as you can see we have 0 pins on the pin wall or this board. So basically now we need just to add some pins on this board. So we go back to our profile and again on saved. So from here we can start having pins. So here you need just to start creating pins for your board, and I'm just going, for example, add this illustration. I will just add it, and basically we will need just to choose a board, and from this board we will need just to add the pin wall and just click on publish, and you will have start publishing mini pins on this board, and you will have a pin wall on your profile. So let's just go again to our profile and search for saved, and here we can find all our boards, and this is our board, and we will find the pin that we just published. So let's just refresh, and basically now we have our pin here, and you will need just to start sharing mini pins. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.